describe her as a loving, caring, compassionate person.
Sandra Welton says her daughter Mehgan always dreamed of being a police officer. But on a trip to Vernon at the end of May, that all ended. Mehgan took cocaine laced with fentanyl and cold medicine. She was found unconscious on the ground. With her, an unused naloxone kit. That's when Welton received a call from the police.
When she was using prior, as a mother, every day when your phone rang, you were just sick to your stomach thinking this is the call.
Welton believes if more communities across BC, like Vernon, had overdose prevention sites, Mehgan would still be alive.
They need to get the safe injection site. I mean, they need to get it open, because then if people go there, they will be doing the drugs safely with support around them. I mean, Mehgan had a naloxone kit in her backpack, but you can't give it to yourself when you're unconscious.
A site is slated to open in Vernon this summer, although the process hasn't been smooth, receiving backlash from residents and council members concerned about its effect on property values and crime rates. But experts say they're one of the measures responsible for preventing another 4,700 deaths over a year-and-a-half period.
It's a non-judgmental environment, and we know that that's what we need for people to connect with health services, to connect with social supports they need, and perhaps at some point to be able to be on that, to have that ability to enter into recovery.
The province has experienced pushback from other communities like Maple Ridge and Nanaimo over the sites. But Henry says that creates a dangerous environment.
Not coming together and having a place that's safe gives the message that the people aren't safe to talk about their drug use. And so they're more likely to do it alone, to be at home, and that's when we know that people are dying.
Since an overdose emergency was announced in BC, the number of prevention sites have grown from 1 to 33. But both Henry and Welton say more are needed. As Welton deals with her own grief, she hopes her call for action will spare other mothers from the same pain.
I couldn't save her, but if I can save one person, she would be proud of me.
Joel Ballard, CBC News, Vancouver.